I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I can send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As Henry, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go. So, bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. A brand new rifle. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Flight engineer, repair test. It's your flashing button. Better be faster when we get it. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Chewie makes flying.
Dude, you're doing left and right. What are you doing?
Weapons are online. Left pilot. Eagles fast. Now let's go get that coax out. Right pilot. Take the jump to light speed.
Alright, let's get it again.
Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out.
Alright, shoot him.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Go down. I'm going down.
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that,
Go down. Get in there.
Flight engineer.
You left. What are you doing? Go right. Go right. Where are you going? Where are you going? Engineers, put it in.
It's much worse. Okay. It's much worse. Yes. You got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I can't go by axiom.
Come on.
You see, just as I
Head in there.
let's get an container of coaxium.
I got the hang of it too.
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Alright.
Flight engineers.
I'm lined up behind it. This is sensitive, bro. Line up behind me. Bro. It's hard, bro. Stop swaying it.
Your flesh shit.
I'm swaying it. I'm trying, bro. Oh my god. Engineers lost our harpoons.
Well, it's harder than it looks.
Yes, it is harder than it looks. Turn right. I am. Oh my god.
Gun shit. Hold on. Oh my god. Things are getting too hard. Just have to get out of there. Have distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Miss.
It's coming down.
Right there, get in front.
friends, I am going to be honest with you. For once, he says, for once, I am always honest. Friends, this is what we in the business world call a major malfunction. Yes, you are right, R5. It is no cause for alarm. It's perfectly safe. Everyone will be fine, but unfortunately, it takes a few minutes to reset all the complicated systems on the Falcon. And in the meantime, well, we've got a little time to pass. So here we are, passing some time.
No, we completed the
Other
mission.
than the complete failure of the Millennium Falcon, how was your flight? All right, how long has it been? Oh, 5, I'm hurting up here.